If you want to get the most out of your AOC 24G4 monitor, here are some simple but effective tweaks. Start with the basics. Set contrast to 50 and brightness to 100, and make sure Eco mode is on standard. For gamma, choose Gamma 3. Turn DCR and eye color effect off, since they don't add much. In the color setup, go with the warm preset for comfortable viewing, and keep both DCB mode and DCB demo off. For color temperature, standard or cool works best. Try both and see which you prefer. Disable features like picture boost and sRGB divided by SD setup unless you have a specific use case. Stick with your preferred language and leave game settings off unless you're actually playing. When gaming, try enabling game mode. It can enhance responsiveness and contrast, but only use it when it feels right for you. With these settings, your 24G4 should deliver vibrant colors, clear brightness, and smooth performance tailored to your needs. Do your own research.